Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss asexual mode of reproduction, that is budding. Budding is of two types. One is external budding or exogenous budding, and second one internal budding or endogenous budding. We can also say gemule formation or gemulation. What is external budding? In the process of external budding, a small part of parent body grows out as a bud. Bud, on getting maturity, detached from the body of parent organism and grows as a new organism. External budding के process में certain outgrowth होता है from the body of parent organism, and this outgrowth is known as bud. जब ये बर्ड मैच्योर हो जाता है तो अपने पेरेंट बॉडी से डिटैच हो जाता है, अलग हो जाता है. अलग होने के बाद जब इसको सुटेबल इन्वायरमेंटल और न्यूट्रिशनल कंडीशन मिलता है, इट अगेन ग्रोज एंड फॉर्म द न्यू डॉटर ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल बडिंग. एक्सटर्नल बडिंग इन केस ऑफ हाइड्रा, विच इज अ मेंबर ऑफ फाइलम Coelenterata or Cnidaria. This is the parent hydra. These are the tentacles, and this is the external outgrowth, and this external outgrowth is known as bud. Bud, when become mature, it will detach from the body of parent organism, and it will ultimately grows to form the daughter hydra. So in this way, budding, external budding takes place in hydra. In case of hydra, bud is a group of cells. Okay. Second example, external budding, yeast. Yeast is unicellular fungus. This is the parent body of yeast. It grows as a external, this is the bud, and bud on getting maturity detached from the body of parent organism and grows as a new yeast. So this is budding in case of yeast. Sometimes in yeast we see there are chain of buds, and these chain of buds again produce the daughter buds, and this budding stage in case of yeast looks like a genus Tarula. So this budding stage in yeast is known as the Tarula stage, and this process is known as the tarulation. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि पेरेंट ईस्ट से चेन ऑफ बर्ड्स प्रोड्यूस होता है, और ये चेन ऑफ बर्ड्स फिर से डॉटर बर्ड्स को प्रोड्यूस करता है. इस तरह से ये जो बडिंग स्टेज है ईस्ट का, वो टारुला जीनस के सिमिलर दिखाई देता है. इसलिए हम दिस कंडीशन, दिस बडिंग कंडीशन ऑफ ईस्ट इज नोन एज द टारुला स्टेज, एंड द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द टारुलेशन. Internal budding also known as the gemule formation or gemulation. Here bud produced inside the body of parent organism. Example हमने लिया है क्या, Spongilla, which is a freshwater sponge. Sponge that is the member of Porifera. इस तरह से क्या होगा, these are the internal buds. इंटरनल बर्ड्स आल्सो नोन एज द जेम्यूल, और ये जेम्यूल या इंटरनल बर्ड क्या होगा, रिलीज हो जाएगा बॉडी से. रिलीज होने के बाद क्या होगा, इट विल ग्रोस एंड फॉर्म द फुल न्यू डॉटर ऑर्गेनिज्म. एग्जांपल के लिए हमने एक यहाँ पे एक इंटरनल बर्ड या जेम्यूल लिया हुआ है. दिस इज द इन द सेंटर, दिस इज द आर्कियोसाइट सेल्स. आर्कियोसाइट सेल्स आर टोटिपोटेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल्स, and these cells having the ability to produce other different type of cells which are present in the body of poriferans, like the trophocyte cells, thymocyte cells, spicule cells, germ cells, amoeboid cells, and will give rise the ultimately full new daughter organism. These archaeocyte cells are surrounded by the gelatinous capsule, ताकि ये आर्कियोसाइट सेल्स ड्राई न हो, सूखे न, means gelatinous capsule providing protection to these archaeocyte cells. And these are what? These are the spicules acting as the endoskeleton, providing protection to this archaeocyte cells. And this is what? This is the opening, out opening micropyle. Clear? So this is a structure of gemule formation or internal budding in case of freshwater sponge, Spongilla.